In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply for Palmpay ATM card. And Palmpay just launched out their own ATM card recently. As you can see, it's a new features that they just added on their platform. So for you to be able to apply for the ATM card, all you just need to do, just log into your Palmpay account. Then you can see this section right here, transfer fee offer. And if you scroll down, you see under the service, you see ATM card. You see a new tag on it. You can see right here. So you see a new tags on it. So just click on that. Then this page will pop up. You can see right here, get your debit card now, cash out, pay securely anywhere, free usage, 15 free ATM withdrawal monthly, 0 maintenance fee. You can see online merchant acceptance, accepted by 40,000 plus platform, including Jumia, Konga, Showmax, and many more. No delay refund, instant dispute resolution on Palmpay POS, order on quick on orders. So once you click on that, then you can see click for home deliveries. You can see right there, and this is how the ATM card will look like. So let's try to check it. I'm gonna click on click for home delivery now. So here you can see this is my details for the to apply for the ATM card. So you can see please enter your delivery details and use an actual house address, not a PO box. So you're going to use your actual address. So here I'm going to select my state, I'm going to select my city, then I'm going to select my full address, then I'll click on confirm. So let me quickly do that. State, city, then address, alright. So I just finished putting in my details, so I'm gonna click on confirm now. Alright, so I've already clicked on confirm. You can see make sure the address and phone number provided is accessible for the next 3 weeks. Okay, then the card fee is 699 naira, maintenance fees is 0, delivery 2,800, special coupon code is 1,500 naira. So the total amount that you'll be paying to apply for Palmpay ATM card will be 1,999 naira. So if you have 1,999 naira, just click on pay now. But basically I don't have enough in my Palmpay account, and I have a lot of ATM card with me, so adding Palmpay ATM card to my cards will be like a lot for me. I have other banks. I have like 5 or 6 ATM card, and I used OPay card a lot actually. So if I now added another card again to this one right now, that will be a plus, and it's too much. It will be too much. There are some cards that I don't even use at all. So I'm very sorry that I won't be able to apply for this card straight forward inside this video, but I already walk you through how to go about it. So if you have 1,999 naira in your Palmpay account, just click on pay now. Once you click on pay now, then you see right there the money will be deducted from your Palmpay account, and I don't know where this particular money is coming from. Okay, this is the amount that is supposed to be, which is 3,499 naira. But with the fact that they deducted, they give you a coupon code for 1,500 naira, so the money is being deducted. You can see. And if you don't have enough money in your account, you can also use another payment method from your card. If you click on payment method right here, you see you can also take a loan to get ATM card. You can also add another card to your Palmpay account in order to be able to apply for this payment for this card. So this is how you can pay for your card. So once you have enough money, just click on confirm to pay, and then the money will be deducted from your Palmpay balance. So this is how you can apply for Palmpay ATM card as fast as possible. And if you have any question, you can let me know through the comment section below. Thank you.